everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you got the chance to check out my wonderful recipe from last week where we made a Mediterranean one-dish baked salmon with my friends from Duck Trap. If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Today, we're going to be making a wonderful classic, one of my favorite desserts, double chocolate chip cookies. For that, you're going to need the following ingredients: 3/4 cup unsalted butter softened, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cake flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of 72% dark chocolate chips, and 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. In a large bowl, you're going to combine both of your flours, your baking soda, and your salt. Use a fork to mix everything together really well and then set the bowl aside. Next, in the bowl of a stand mixer, you're going to add your butter and both sugars. Mix until it's light and fluffy. Next, add your eggs and your vanilla, and you're going to mix again until everything is well combined. Slowly pour your dry ingredients into the stand mixer bowl. Next, you're going to add in all of your chocolate chips, and you're going to mix this by hand, not with your stand mixer, until your chocolate chips have been fully incorporated. Use a large cookie scoop that's about 2 tablespoons in size, and you're going to scoop the dough onto a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper, making sure that you space your dough about 2 inches apart. Once your baking tray has been filled, place it in your refrigerator to chill for 1 hour. And while your dough is chilling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your cookies have chilled for an hour and your oven has fully preheated, you're going to bake your cookies for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the edges have turned slightly golden brown and the top has set. And with that, our double chocolate chip cookies are done. I absolutely love using 2 different types of chocolate chips in this recipe. It's a really nice balance between the sweet milk chocolate and the bitter dark chocolate to create such a really wonderfully well-rounded cookie. Now, we did chill this dough in the refrigerator for an hour, and that helps prevent any spreading or these cookies from spreading too much. So you can see that the cookies really kept a nice shape, and they kept a little bit of height here as well, so they didn't get too flat. And because when we pulled them out, they were just starting to brown around the edges and the top had just set. As these cookies cool, they'll stay beautifully soft on the inside, which is what we want here. I mean, who can resist a chocolate chip cookie? Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our double chocolate chip cookies. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.